here I have Samsung Galaxy M13, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, then go to the swipe shutter button 2 and select take a burst shot. And now let's try to take a burst shot. So you just swipe shutter button down, I'll show you like this, and now the burst shot goes on. So as you can see right now I took like 27 shots, and here I can just review them and select the one that fits me best. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.